Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. When going off-roading, you can never have too much visibility, and as you can see with our 2016 Jeep Wrangler, we've installed quite a few LEDs, but there's just not quite enough. Today we're going to take it a step further by installing a Rugged Ridge rock light kit. This Rugged Ridge rock light kit mounts underneath your Jeep so you can spot rocks or other obstacles when going off-road. It includes 4 LED pods with 3 LEDs and rubber mounts, and today we're going to install it on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. For this installation, you'll need a 3/8 ratchet, 5mm hex key, 10mm wrench, a drill, 1/4" drill bit, universal drill bit, a set of strippers, cutters, crimpers, a panel removal tool, and safety glasses. Our rock light kit came with a wiring harness and switch. However, we're not going to use it. We have a trail rocker kit that we're going to wire our lights up into, but you can use the harness that came with the kit. Rugged Ridge has suggestions on where to mount the lights. For the front, they suggest mounting the light on top of the fender liner right there. And to mount them, they include these rubber mounts where you can either slide the wire through the side and mount it like this, or if you want, you could run the wire through the center and then drill a hole for you to run the wire as well. We're going to pop this clip off to give us some more room. We're going to drill our mounting holes with a 1/4" drill bit. These bolts are a little bit extra long, so you can either trim the bolts down or drill another hole in the plastic for the clip right here. And now, because our bolts are a little bit long, we're going to drill another hole right here for that plastic clip. Now pop down these clips so we can get behind the panel and run the wire. We're going to mount the rear rock lights on the very bottom front part of the rear fender, right here. Run the wire through the center hole. Then install the bolts. Then repeat the process on the other side, and then you can move on to wiring. You want to bring all your wires to a central location to connect them to the pigtail. We have a Painless Performance trail rocker which we'll be wiring our lights into. Connect the ground wire and the power wire. When you're finished wiring, tuck it all out of the way and your installation's finished. Our Rugged Ridge rock lights are installed. They look pretty awesome. They'll definitely help out when we're out off-roading. Installation is going to take about 2 hours, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.